Hey everybody, I'm Robert the Zombie Bargain Hunter, and today this is day 5 of me opening 3 boxes of the Disney Honors Pixar Disney 100. Yeah, it's a mouthful. This is day 5 of me coming back. I did pre-cut these, so it's easier for me to open. Unless you like watching me struggle opening on stream or whatever. Yeah, this is day 5. So far, we've only had 1 winner box out of 15 boxes, but we have pulled 4 really good cards, so amazing. We did pull a few good encased, so if you didn't watch those videos, well, that's your fault. Go back and watch them. Whoops, I hit the camera. That does not help. But yeah, we pulled out some really good encased. And a lot of Bob Pars for some reason. I keep finding the Bob Pars from the Incredibles. So. But he's still a really good card. I mean, he's a nice gold and black. So he has a really nice color to him. And people like him, so can't complain. If you need any cards, feel free to go to my website. PlushGamesAndMore.com. Let me know it's you, and I'll make you a good deal before I open all these guys. I do have like 6 more cases left, so there's no rush. I'll be doing this for a little while. I kind of bought a lot of this, so yeah. Alright, so we have no winners, but so far we've done very well with no winners. Hopefully the luck keeps going. Let's start. Jesse and Mrs. Potato Head. Let's move this over here so the mess won't be in front of the screen. So you'll have a nice, clean view of the nice cards. Ham and a Forky. And if you want to buy some sets, let me know. I have sets of Finding Nemo, Incredibles, Toy Story, which is the biggest set. Up, Coco, of course. I mean, I have pretty much every set out there. So just let me know what you're interested in. These are the common cards right here. Then they go silver. I should get a silver soon. I'll show you. Come on, open. There it goes. Of course I don't get a silver this pull. But it's Hector and Remy and Emily. Or Emil? I don't know what his name is. What's the rat's name? Let me know. There's the silver card. There's the claw. And then it goes gold, which is over here. Red, black. And then I don't know what the big card is. The big card's a 1 of 1. There's only 10 of those made. So there's 1 of 1 of Woody, 1 of 1 of Buzz, etc., etc. So those will be amazing to find. I might yell into the camera, so protect your ears if I ever find one while I'm pulling this. But I'm sure it'll be in a winner's box. I'm sure they won't just throw it in a random box. But nobody's found one yet, so at least that I know of. Got another May. Got an Alfonso and a Jackson. Oh, Alfredo. I don't know why I always call him Alfonso. And we have a movie moment. Oops, I did not rip that one very well. Come on, get out of there. This is Buzz. If you sit on a shelf your rest of your life, you'll never find out. And these are really nice cards. You can see how nicely made they are. The big hits in these are, there's a metal card. The metal ones, I believe, are 50, limited to 50 each one. Then there's the embroidered cards. Those are out of, I believe it's 166. It's a weird number. So yeah, those are really nice. And then there's a big old chubby card like this. It's like this thick. I don't think, no, those don't come in there. They come in these normal packs. So I was surprised. It was like this. I'm like, what's going on? Yeah, so they have the chubby chubby cards. Those are called Nebula cards. I always forget the name of those because I never think of Nebula as a word, really, to tell you the truth. But yeah, so far we haven't found anything in this box, or these 3 boxes. Hopefully we can find something good in here. So there's always different things we can find in all these packs. We have a Carl, and he says, "Thanks for the adventure. Now go have a new one. Love, Ellie." You can see how just rainbow and shiny these cards are. Get rid of the checklist, and we have the Brave guys and Jesse. Oh, we did it again! 5 in a row. We pulled another gold with no winner in sight. We got the claw. And what is his number? Let's see. His number is 21 out of 199. Amazing luck. We've opened 15 boxes and we pulled out 5 really nice cards. And 4 of them came out of no winner boxes. So, man, that is crazy luck. Goes to show you, there's always good cards in these boxes. Even when you open them up and says doesn't say winner, you can always pull something good. Here we go. Got a Wally lenticular. I like how there's 3 different versions. I don't think you can see it as well on camera, but when you have them in your hand, you can see the quality of these cards really, really up close and personal. Well, you can see the quality just the way I'm ripping them. There's no way you would rip any other card like the way I'm ripping it. The card would bend. You'd mess up the ink. There's nothing going to happen to these cards. Look at that. There's nothing wrong with those cards. They are very sturdy and very pretty. I like these cards. Oh, tricked me. I thought it was another gold card. Got the Coco, and it says, "Remember me, don't let it make you cry." I'm already crying. I can't help it. Alright, let's see what we got in these guys. Hopefully we hit an embroidered or something good in here. Oh, we have, this is called an Easter egg. They have 2 little magnifying glasses and the card pops up. So, yeah, I don't want to open this because it is super hard to get back in. But, yeah, these are pretty nice cards. That one was from Toy Story. Oh, we have back-to-back Easter eggs. This is from the antique shop. See right there. Okay, cool. 2 Easter eggs. Come on, something really good. Oh, 3 Easter eggs in a row. Another Toy Story one. You can see there's like a little coin in there. So when you pop them up, they're really nice. But I don't want to try to put them back in the box. So sorry about not opening them. Maybe when I get sent one that's opened, I will open it or show it to you. But anyways, hope you enjoyed the video. Please give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new. And don't fiddle fart around. Get all your listings up. I am going to get this guy bagged. Take care, everybody. And hopefully see you tomorrow. Bye.